In this video, we'll demonstrate how to set up free shipping on Shopify. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about setting up free shipping and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. Offering free shipping can significantly enhance your store's appeal to customers. Let's get started. Firstly, navigate to the main page of your Shopify dashboard. Then, proceed to the Settings section on the left-hand side. Click and open the Shipping and Delivery section. Once you're in the shipping settings, you'll find the option for Shipping Zones and Rates. Click on Manage under General Shipping Rates. This action will open a new tab. Here, you'll find different zones like domestic and international shipping. To offer free shipping for international orders, select the International section and locate the price field. Click on the three dots, which will open an option to edit rate. Delete the existing price, and you'll notice a new field labeled Free. Once done, click Done to save the changes. By doing this, you've successfully set up free shipping for international customers. For domestic customers, you might already have free shipping set up. If not, follow the same process of editing rates and setting the price to 0 or choosing the free option. After making these adjustments, remember to save your changes by clicking Save in the top right corner. This ensures that your profile is updated with the new shipping settings. Setting up free shipping on Shopify can be a compelling strategy to attract and retain customers by offering them a cost-saving benefit. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Your support motivates us to create more informative content. Thank you for watching.